I have to say, so far this is by far and away more than I expected, to be honest with you. This is my first time growing sweet potatoes, and the soil up here isn't really conducive to sweet potato growth. So I have this raised bed here with a more forgiving, softer, more forgiving soil. It's not really rocky or stony. And as you can see, it pretty much bore fruit. Well, I got quite a few more to go, so once everything is said and done, perhaps I'll show you the total haul. All right. Okay, here is the sweet potato haul. Had some nice looking ones. And some not so nice looking ones. Now, the problem that I figured I would encounter with my particular raised bed is the fact that it's not raised that much. You can see it right there, the wood along the side, and let's see if we can swing that around. It's only a couple inches deep. I would say it's about maybe 6 inches deep. It's a little grown up there on the edge now, but the soil under the soil that I added here, the natural soil, is very hard and very rocky, and that's why you get a lot of the disfiguration, because when the potato attempted to go down into the ground, it met the resistance. It's still trying to grow, and it curves and, you know, just gets knotted up. Okay, but the weight we have here, let's see here if we can do this without breaking the bag. That's about 17 pounds. Not bad for my first attempt at growing sweet potatoes. And I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plants. One died early, so I had 7 plants. So I wouldn't say it's too bad, but definitely room for improvement. But this was my first attempt at growing sweet potatoes, and I have to say that it probably will not be my last. Alright, thanks for watching, and any suggestions would be greatly welcome. And here's all the residue, slated for composting. But that's for another video and another time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.